If there's a Ford in need, I am the man indeed. I will find them. I will fix them. I'll love them. And you know, I'm going to drive the shit out of them. I am the Ford aficionado. Welcome to my channel. Hey y'all, Ford aficionado back at it again. And today I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight retainer rings in your 1970 to 1977 Ford Maverick. You're only going to need two things: your new headlight retainer rings and a Phillips head screwdriver. Stay tuned. Alrighty, so as you can see, I bought these headlight retainer rings on Amazon from a company called Good Speed. They were two new rings, 35 bucks. Like I said, this will fit a 1970 to 1977 Ford Maverick. Get them open. And truth be told, I've been needing to get these rings for the last, 5 years. Because when I replaced the headlights, I'm putting new headlights in, the rings came apart. Then pot metal is all they're made out of, And so, they are 50 years. So, metal just falls apart eventually. So, as we look, here we go. And as you can see, it says, there's your part number. It says it'll fit a 40 to 1956 Ford pickup. And it also fits 1970 and 1977 Ford Maverick. So, yeah. So we got two of them. There's the other one. One for the left, one for the right. Let's get them changed. So like I said, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. Take your little bezel off here. So, there's 3 screws holding the bezel in. Don't drop them. I'll lay them right up here. 2. And 3 right down here. Hold the bezel so it don't just flop around. Alright, then you just take your hand, do it by hand the last few turns. Crap, that's close. Lay your bezel up here. Grab your other screw so you don't lose it. Come on now. There you go. Lay it up here. Alright, now you've got 3 more Phillips head screws right here. So all you're going to do is you're going to take them loose. As you can see, this one right here was already broken. Like I said, when I changed the headlights, they all just fell apart. Take your broken piece. There's 1 screw. Put them up here, don't get them abused. There's There's another screw here. Hang on. Nope, wrong one. Sorry. Wrong one. It's this one over here. This. Again, don't drop your screws because you will not be able to find them. And last but not least, right here. Damn it. Okay, now we'll go over here to get my other headlight out of Daisy. You can see laying right there in the back floorboard. So shut the door back. And these are brand new headlights. And you know, I was thinking about upgrading these headlights to LED, but geez, they're like $200-300 for two of them. I said, I'm not doing that. So get our headlight retainer rings, get them opened up. Okay, there's one. And they're just going to sit. Take your headlight, and it just sits right over it like that. Sits right in there like that and holds it in place. So let's get it installed. So let's take our new ring, just sit it in here real gently like. Line up the holes. Right there, like that. Just hold it real gentle like. Where's the hole at? I just lost it. There it is. Right there. Get your screws. And just, it's going to be difficult. Doing it one-handed, almost. Take your screw, get it lined up. Don't drop the darn thing. It's going to be a pain in the butt. Get it in here and get it started. Ah, you cunt. I just take it ever so gently, work it in there, stick it in the hole. So you try to get it started. There we go. Alright, now it's starting. So we'll get our other three started. Get them lined up all the way. Okay, and then take this one. Just kind of that one in there, get it started. There's that one. And last but not least, the last one started. Now, this is going to be very fun, because now this last one don't want to start. It's kind of in a bind, so let me try something. Let me loosen them up again. And just see if I can kind of work it, because of the way that it's designed. This is how it's supposed to go, but because of the kind of got that, you know, funny edge to it, it doesn't want to start right. So we shall wait a minute. Alright guys, well, we got them in, all but that one right there. It slipped right past the ring. As you can see, the head slipped right past the ring. But it took an act of Congress to get these damn things to line up. So I'm gonna have to keep working it, try to get that one back out and lined up in the groove. You can see it's supposed to go right in that little groove, and it's being a cunt. So alrighty guys, so I got them lined up all now. They're in there, it's nice and tight, it's not gonna fall out. All three of them in there and snug down good. So now let's put the bezel back on. It goes just like this. Gonna get it lined up right there, and put your screws back in. Get them started by hand. Let's see. Oh yeah, there you are. Get them both started by hand so they'll start. And then just tighten them down. Let's see, move you over a little bit. And just snug them on down. There's one. Here's two. And last but not least, three. Get it in there. And there you have it, guys. After about 4 years, the Mavericks finally got both headlights in now. New rings. I'm going to change this one next. And like I told you, same process. Take out your 3 screws. Take off the bezel. Remove the 3 Phillips head screws holding the headlight in. Oh well guys, anyway, I'm not going to change this one out. It's got a 10 mil right there. Was one of the screws are missing. Like I said, this ring, it's not bad. I would replace them both. Go ahead and replace them both, but I'm not even going to bother. This ring, there's really nothing wrong with it. So I'm just going to put it all back together. And so I'm just going to put it all back together, and that's it. And of course guys, don't forget to plug the headlight back in. You're going to see the wire's hidden way down in here. I gotta figure out where I put it, where it went. There it is. Right. Nope, that's not it. You are just, there you are, right there. Okay. Right there you are. Hiding from me, dadgummit. Now, this gotta go a certain way. Let me see. Where's the blades? 3 at the top, just like that. And so you just reach in here, find your bulb, find all 3 blades, make sure they're lined up, and there you have it, guys. I know it's kind of hard to see, but it's right in there, right there. That's where it's at. It's plugged in now. At least that's the best I can get it, because it's no working room. But as you can see, it's not a hard job. You can do it yourself. Just take your time. That metal is brittle. You know, even a brand new ring can be brittle if you don't get it all lined up just right. But there we have it, brand new. The headlight, both headlights are back in Maverick, and it's one step closer to being put back on the road. Looks like a car again. Both headlights in. So my next step is going to be ordering the new floor pans. I'm going to try to do it this week when I get my check. I'm going to order one side, and then when the other side comes in and it's available to order, I'll order the other side. And then comes the part of just finding somebody to weld them in. Cut the old floor pans out and weld the new ones in. But like I said, the new both headlights are back in now. Looking like a car again. And thank y'all for watching. I'll see you in the next one.